You're my younger brother. Please go and read. We will populate your mind with information so that you'll be properly guided. You'll be very properly guided. Okay? Komba itu nenda Mutabye nemwe amanui wa Ruto. Sisa sawa. Na lakini amwe akaete Ruto. Baina thina. Aete Ruto because at the end of the day it's a game of numbers. I cannot. I read your message, by the way. I read what you said, and you were saying it in good faith. He was reading in good faith. But I want to tell you, my friends. No, Sonko is a younger brother, na pia anaweza kuwa mzee. I want to thank Governor Sonko. Now, and you know, there are serious issues in this country. Because Muthama has now confirmed that him and Deputy President are forming a party. Now, at a situation when the Deputy President, it's a constitutional thing, when the Deputy President is a deputy of the Republic of Kenya under the Jubilee Party. You people and my media, you have a lot of information to give to this country. Out of this, if I was wrong in my prediction, we will be there to celebrate you. Victor Munyaka, you know you are my brother. You know how the late Daudi Mwanzia slept, believing that I fixed you on the people of Machakos. Baba imunundaika kaindo. Kawayo, you stood on my riddle. We akili ni akukomete omonde. Waina iya? Ukomete omonde balodhiyo, koma. We enda mdabia experience ila Kalonzo inayo. Ndaela Kalonzo inayo kenyeno na duniani. Kweli mundu, Kalonzo niwa ilotuika deputy wa Ruto. That is my question. That is my question. So some of these questions are rather obvious. And we shall come back here. Marba, we are going to the negotiating table. And that is where we are. Governor Sonko Sife Moyo, Shikilia Nairobi. We are with you. Okay, we love you. Ya budhizia Sonko nemwe atuinu kemusi. Mwamba thukesia. That is my riddle. Nairobi kileta nyoko, wewe ni wetu. Wewe ni wetu. I want to see leaders now speaking. Leaders speak. Leaders speak. Leaders speak. Muthama mutavioneza utongo, you are not given na upatiwe namna hii. You grab it. You go for it. He tried. He had his good intentions. And the answer is where we are today. The answer is here. So I cannot agree. Bandu twaliki ende nzo, twaliki ende menyambo. Ndio Musyoka. But this time we are very clear. We thank God. So no. But we must remember at the end of the day the solution will be like this. So love each other, respect each other. And when I'll be going for my vote, I will tell everybody, be as independent minded as you can. Hey, Clay, when the true leader stands, what I wonder, all of you, if you truly believe in the fight against corruption, how can you associate with anybody? And I'm not here referring to anybody. You must live it. You cannot preach wine, water, and drink heavy wine. But we also sit there, and Kawaya is very clever. He says negotiate with everybody. But as we negotiate, there are certain irreducible minimums. The irreducible minimum. Serious. You don't irreducible minimum Kalonzo 11 in 2022. I don't know whether you are doing these things by design or by default. Now, I don't want anybody now. I will be the negotiator on my own behalf. Nina kola kudho wata ngombe sokoni.